Hello everyone, I'm Adam from CLNotes, and in this video, I would like to show you another feature that I really like in CLNotes. Now, one thing is we always try our best to make learning as multimodal as possible so that people can learn through all different forms of media, so like videos, music, sound, and pictures, in addition to just text. And so in CLNotes, we have this really cool picture search feature. So we're going to go to one of my classes here. So I'm going to click on My Classes in the top. And then I'm going to go to a class. And I'm going to use one of the CLNotes that I briefly discussed in another video, which is a real estate one here. And in this CLNote, as you can see, there are a bunch of vocabulary words that have been highlighted, either by myself or by students in my class. And one really cool thing is after students have highlighted the vocabulary words that they do not understand, they can then go up to the top and click on the Reading tab, and then click on the Image Words button here. And what that does is it highlights all of the words that have been selected by either themselves or the teacher or both. And when they click on one of these words, they will get an instant image search pop up, which is really cool and really useful, in my opinion, because I often like looking at words to discover what the meaning is rather than just looking at the description in a dictionary or something like that. So for example, looking at like pitfall, you see here it automatically opens up this page and it has a bunch of images of pitfalls, holes in the ground, places where people are clearly falling in. So this would be a great image for students to learn about what a pitfall is. And maybe going back, a lot of these words, and this is another thing that you'll find, some words, depending on their difficulty, might not be as easy to get a picture of. So for example, bankruptcy, this is a little bit difficult, perhaps, for the students to understand what bankruptcy is by looking at these pictures, especially since a lot of these pictures just show the word bankruptcy. However, if you were to take a picture like accountant, I'm pretty sure you could get a good idea by all of these people with their calculators what the word accountant means. So let's go back to the note here. So that's how you use the image words function in CLNotes, and how you can use this and teach your students about this so that they have yet another tool by which they can further understand what some vocabulary words or concepts mean by looking at pictures. And again, this is especially useful for the students who are more accustomed to or prefer visual input rather than just textual input. I hope that this feature is interesting for you and your students. And if you have any questions, please email me. And until next time, bye-bye.